would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you.
I'm going to get myself together. Yeah, I'm going to be cooking as well. Not really me. I think I'm going to help out in the kitchen a bit today. But Dawn mainly going to be doing all the cooking. Why is this doesn't look the same color? I picked up some concealer yesterday, but seems different.
And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
Not too much because I don't want to bake, so I'm not going to use a lot. And I'm not going to let it sit there because I'm not baking today. I'm just doing something simple. You know what, for me, I don't wear makeup every day, but I like to just get myself together because I know when you get married and you have children, sometimes you can lose that, and I don't want to like forget about myself and not fix myself up. I mean, you don't have to fix yourself up with makeup, but I like to just pretty up every now and then. But you know what, I do that probably 3 times out a week, like for makeup. Probably 2 to 3 times out a week I do makeup, so it's not a lot. Your makeup, I'm not saying you have to, but for me, I love to put myself together. And even if I'm not wearing makeup, I still put myself together. And I like to dress up. I just think for ladies, it's such a beautiful thing when you carry yourself well. I don't like to look anyhow. I really don't. It feels weird. It feels so weird to just look anyhow. I can't do that. So when I'm going on the road, I have to like put myself together. Even when I'm home, you still have to look nice. You're not going anywhere, but you still have to, you know, put yourself together. And I think if you're not in that mood, practice, become perfect. So if you're not into that, it's okay. But I just think that every woman should present themselves in a proper manner. I was taught that growing up. You just don't come looking anyhow. You have to present yourself in a certain way. And that I appreciate that. That's one of the things I appreciate growing up, that I'm so grateful for, is how a girl or a lady should carry themselves. And I try not to lose that even after having baby, because sometimes, you know, a lot of moms are not in the mood after having children, but I think you can get back. And pray the Lord will help you to get back on track and starting to, you know, take care of you, because you have to take care of you as a woman. And one of the things, I try to set my mind a certain way that even after having baby, if you're not in the mood, when I'm not in the mood, I try to just say, listen, you have to get back at that place where you put yourself together, and you know, it's just a mindset. Sometimes you're not in the mood, but get in the mood. It makes you feel special. You can't just, for me, I refuse to just look anyhow. Even when I'm at home, sometimes, to be honest, I don't care. I took my wig off. I don't sleep in my wigs. Only sometimes if I want the wig to be on, like for probably say probably like, you know, I glue it down a frontal like for a couple days or 3 days, no more than 4, and then I have to get it off because it feels so uncomfortable to go to bed with a wig. But other than that, I try to look presentable even going to bed because I don't want to look crazy. That's just me. I like to put myself together at home, wearing a sweatpants, still trying to look cute in a sweatpants, and you manage to pull it off. You don't have to look crazy, you know, you really don't have to. At least 15 minutes to do my makeup, and oh my gosh, I can't really focus because I hear Alexandra, and when you hear your child cry, you just want to go out there and help, even though I know she's okay, but it's the mom in me. So I'm going to put a bit of blusher on, but before I do so, I'm just going to put, just contour a bit, just a little bit. Elf blusher, this is it, and I'm going to use this color. This is the one I use most of the time, and yeah, this is their blush palette in dark. So I'm going to mix these, two color here at the bottom. Highlighter, I'm going to be using this. This is my Juvia's Place. I use this Mario Badescu. I hope I pronounced that right. Spray it a bit. Oh, oh my gosh. I just threw away all my highlighter, a lot of it. I'm glad it fell in the jar because I'm going to clean it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Wait there, the whole of my highlighter dash away. Right, today I'm going to wear this Ruby Woo MAC lipstick, but first I'm going to line my lip because I can't find my MAC lip liner in Chestnut. I don't know where it is, so I'm going to try and line my lip with this Too Faced red lipstick. That's it. So I'm going to fix my hair. Setting spray, I normally use this, the Mario Badescu. I just want to hurry up and go pay attention to the kids. Oh my god. So let me get my hair pulled out and I'll be right back. So all done. So yeah, this is my dress. So girly. Hair out. Oh my gosh, this lighting is horrible. So I just put my hair out, yeah, and this is my makeup, and this is my outfit for the day. This is a cute dress. I'm liking it. Hi Alexandra. Hi, Mama. Hi. Yeah. Dawn is cleaning her chair. Hi, Mommy. Hi. Next thing I'm going to target is down there. It looks so messy. Those are wash clothes that needs to fold up. And I'm just going to clean up a bit. Be over here cooking. Oh my gosh, you're cooking up a storm. Look at the stove.
See, I've been cleaning as I go. Does it make vegetable fried rice, right?
Yeah.
But we all know what happened to the vegetables.
You're switching around.
Yes. Guess what it's gonna do?
What is it?
Just guess. One guess.
Let me look around.
You had 3 guesses, and the first 2 don't count.
I don't know. What other fried
Lobster
rice?
and chicken fried rice.
Lobster and chicken?
Fried rice.
Wow. Yeah, go on with things, man, done.
You know, I have to step it up a little bit tonight. I have my little onions here. And some more ginger. Bring that to a boil after I check the flavor.
Going to stay there and thicken up.
No, I'm gonna add a slurry to it, and then I'm gonna add the chicken. I'm not gonna thicken it up a lot because I don't want it to turn into the gel.
Okay.
I'm just gonna thicken up just a little bit here.
So what is that?
This is cornstarch and water. We call it a slurry. Culinary term. If you're not using a roux, which is flour and some kind of fat like butter or oil, they use a slurry. Chinese cooking, Asian cooking usually use cornstarch and water. That's their thickening agent.
No.
I got an email the other day saying 50% off for a slim chicken. I'm like, what?
What?
I never heard of no slim chicken.
Are you lying?
No, honey, I'm serious. And they had a picture of a chicken in black and white that was kind of skinny.
What?
What the? Nice orange sauce. Because I coated the chicken with flour and cornstarch before I fried it too. So that'll also help. I'm going to make the side dish, which is I roast some Brussels sprouts and with some diced up pork belly. And I put some chili sauce in there, some sweet chili sauce in there, and a little bit of soy sauce, and a little bit of olive oil, and I roasted them. And now I'm gonna saute them and add a little bit more sauce. And one thing about cooking with cold rice, it won't get gummy and overcooked while you're doing, your meat or your vegetables and stuff.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning?
Hi.
You are certainly looking good.
Thank you. So we're going to have dinner. It's dinner time. Who's knocking? Okay.
Tired.
You're more hot. So it's dinner time. You're hot?
Hey, I'm not quite ready. I've been cooking and smelling and tasting, so I'm not really fully ready.
Okay.
I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
Still need some scissors.
Yeah, got it. I'm not sure if it can fit her. It's a size 3.
What, the shoes?
Yeah.
No, she got some big feet.
Alexandra, do you want to wear these? I'll cut them. Cute. Cutie. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. It can fit her.
Mm-hmm.
She don't have much wearing in it though, but I go and do it too. Oh, this can too. Make it easier.
Shouldn't have showed her that though.
No, hook it back. Oh, good. You don't have to be so tight on her foot. Make a cute shoe. And then, let's get this on. I should have let her wear pink. She doesn't like headband. Because you don't want it on? Hi. You and mommy.
That's cute.
What? Thank you. Your mommy twinning it out. Hi. Say hello. So this is our outfit. Let me show you a bit better. This is our outfit. Going to go to Burlington and we're going to Sam to get some snacks and juice. We're just going to head out and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Say bye-bye. Hi mama. Alexandra. Hi. Hi baby. You ready? You ready to go? She's like, hurry up man for me to carve the shoes them. See, she's not into shoes. She's going to take that off on her headband when we get in the car. You ready? Come. Let mommy help you. Ooh. Can we go now? Alexandra, can we go now? Pop this box of snacks for the kids. So yeah, they're always eating snacks. So these, pick them up for Alexandra. I get to film because I didn't go inside actually with Dawn. I had Dawn to go in by herself. Alexandra fell asleep. I didn't really want to take her out. So I'm just going to pack up all our little snacks in this container. Yeah, I think this is a small one. Hi, Alexandra. So I'm just going to take out some of the snacks and put it in this. Try to put as much as possible. I know they're not going to all hold, but at least that's fine. Should be enough, trust me, the snack them are gonna bust. So I think this is enough. They can't hold. I need to get some of those. Probably need to get some of those containers to like put the snacks in. Some more of these, but like those metal one or the basket one that are bigger. I have to organize my pantry, so I'm just going to leave it like this, and then you know, they can just eat out the box for now. But I'm supposed to go to Burlington later, so I might do that. Hi, Mama. Hi. Hi, baby. Oh my God. So, this juice thing, I'm going to get Alexandra actually some more of those. Alexandra, what are you doing? Alexandra is something else. Anyway, so. Hi. Hi, baby. What do you want? You know what? I'm just going to leave these because these are some juice I've purchased for them. Let me get this one. I'm not going to pick it up. I'm going to leave it here. Alexandra, where are you going with?
She was trying to grab the Doritos.
You can't eat those type of snacks.
Hey.
So I'm going to get her Alexandra. So this is what I have. I'm going to get her some more so I can fill it up. And also some of those little fruits in as well. She likes them. And yet she does eat table food. I mean, she's 1 year old. She has to eat some really good food, Jamaican food. So I did get this juice for them. Also, this is all that came in that box. And these are the amount of snacks that I get to put in. Not that much because I still have a lot more in it. Leave it like that and I'll pick up some more of these are the bigger ones. Definitely the bigger ones for the snacks. And I have one more of this. I'm going to get some more Gerber food for Alexandra so I can stock up a lot because she likes them a lot. I do give her as well, I do make her fresh smoothie and all that fruiting, but I do have these on backup. She's so busy. So pick up this rotisserie chicken. Oh my gosh, from Sam's. I love the rotisserie chicken. Picked up some apples. Don picked up this bread, actually hot dog bun, I just call them all bread, and also this Hawaiian. We just put one in the freezer so it doesn't go bad, but we're going to eat this today for dinner because we were out, kind of busy today, so we're not going to go through any cooking. So we're just going to have some Hawaiian bread and the rotisserie chicken. So this Raisin Bran of cereal, I like Raisin Bran a lot, and Frosty, my actual favorite, Sweet Baby Ray's. Love it so much. Love their restaurant. Oh my goodness, we go there not a lot. We used to go there a lot, but we toned it down since last year. But we use their sauce. Definitely you go to barbecue sauce when you're not making it fresh. So yeah, I'm just going to put this in the oven. It's still warm, but I'm going to put it in the oven and start getting things prepared for them. Go to Sam's. I always have to get one of their rotisserie chicken. Looks so good, smells so good, and it tastes really good. Like literally tastes good. No joke thing. So just going to put this here. Just leave it to warm up. Oh, Don wants us to eat baked beans, so I'm just going to warm up this baked bean. Kind of spice it up, you know, make it Jamaican style, because everything I have to make it like tasty like Jamaican style. You have to season up every little thing. Not a fan of canned food, but I like baked bean. Some canned food I'll eat, you know, baked bean, definitely. So I'm going to warm that up a bit. Let me wash off the top. I really don't know how to open the can, but let me get Don to open it for me. Don. Some of you are like me, don't know how to open the thing. Let me wipe it off some more. No, don't need your help. You know why, Danielle? The last time I asked Danielle, she's like, yeah, I know how to open it. I was struggling like for 10 minutes. So
that's
Don,
how Daddy do it.
you take charge.
You gotta hold down on
the
it.
real man.
I told you you had to hold down on it.
Danielle, we struggled like for 10
Yeah, I told you
minutes.
to hold down on
No,
it.
you wasn't showing me.
Yeah,
You
you
were
have to
doing
wait till
it.
it gets started.
Actually, Daniel was doing it and it wasn't going anywhere. Why you didn't open it?
Because
You were opening it and I'm like, you can't really open it. We just allow Dan for doing things because this is too much. Really vexed?
Yeah,
She'll be fine. Thank you.
you're welcome.
A bit of barbecue sauce in it. This Sweet Baby Ray's. And I'm not calling them name anymore because I'm not getting sponsored. Spice it up a bit. I'm going to put just a little bit of garlic powder, some onion powder. You know what, if I had time or if I was in the mood, I would normally like, you know, saute some onions and put it in it for that extra flavor. Because I like saute, I actually like saute onion in everything. I have to spice it up. We spice up everything. Use some crushed red peppers to spice it up a bit because I don't have any Scotch bonnet pepper or real Jamaican pepper. And just a little bit of Jamaican seasoning, not too much. Don't want to show off the flavor. So that's it. And let it just stay there. Oh, black pepper. Forgot black pepper. We have black pepper.
yeah.
Where? Come help me, Daniel. Find it. It's right in this, you know, I just clean up and see it. But in my mind, may I look for it in the bottle. Because we do have one in our bottle.
Yeah.
But
Daddy
this
said
is
that's the only one that's left.
This is the only one. Well,
You need
I'm
more
going
of
to
that.
use some of it. Not too much. I think it's like 5 o'clock now, or half past 5. Normally we finish dinner like 3 o'clock, 3:30, no later than 4. So I don't like to feed them too late, because later in the evening for supper time is like at 7:30. 7:30, and I don't want them to eat dinner too late so they can still enjoy supper. Normally for us, supper is like tea and biscuit. That's it, nothing heavy, because you don't want to eat a heavy meal and go to bed. So supper is not really a heavy meal, it's something light. So are some fruits, we just cut up some fruits and give to them. Most time they like the yogurt and some type of fruit, but I still think the yogurt is a bit heavy. So I try to give them like just the plain fruit or some tea biscuit and tea. They're still not used to the tea thing. I mean, it's a Jamaican thing, or probably at a Caribbean thing, at a European country thing, but I know it's not an American thing. Coffee is an American thing. But anyway, I try to get them into tea. You have to drink your tea morning, noon, and night. That's me. So they'll drink tea in the morning, especially Elijah. But Daniel and Makeda, sometimes Daniel likes her tea, but not all the time. Makeda definitely is a no-no. And you know what? She came to America when she was actually what, 4 or 5 years old. So I'm like, girl, you grew up to your tea, don't play that. You know, it bothers me, of course, to be honest with you, because I still want them to keep their culture, to just love tea. I mean, who doesn't love tea in Jamaica? Jamaican people we love with tea. And it's like, if you're not drink your tea, you go crazy. So when you get up in the morning, the first thing you drink your tea. If you eat breakfast and don't drink your tea and I go throughout the whole day, you feel like you can't go through the day. You have to drink something warm. You have to just drink something warm. So definitely tea is a must. So I drink tea morning, noon, and night. I know I drink it a lot. So if I'm up late, normally I'm up late probably like 1 o'clock. Alexandra is up with me because she's a late night baby. And then I'll be drinking tea again. So, you know, we love our tea. Not coffee person around here. I'm not a coffee person. I just love my tea unless it's Jamaican coffee. Let me stir my pot. Baked bean is ready. So I remember one day, have any tea available. I didn't even know, because Dan always makes sure to stock out on tea for me. Today I was so grumpy because I had Dan to make me some tea. Normally Dan make my tea, and Dan told me that there wasn't any tea. Now this is about 8-9 o'clock at night, and it was so stressful. I know I have control over it, but it was so stressful. I couldn't go to bed without the tea. I was like, I wanted to ask Dan to go to the store, but then again, to have him go to the shop 8 o'clock at night, I think it was like 9 o'clock. I was like, to have him go to the shop, that is bad. And it was so tempting. So I was like, Dan, please find some. Dan is like, there's no ginger, we don't have anything to make the tea. I was like, sugar and water, sugar and water. I know it sounds weird, but I said, Dan, just put a teaspoon of sugar in some water. And the thing is, I hate sugar and water. In Jamaica, they'll give it to you if you like, if a child fall down and hurt himself or her, then they'll just give you some sweet sugar and water. But I've never grew up drinking sugar and water. Only if you fell hard, then they give you that. But I was literally going nuts for some tea, and there wasn't even no tea at all, not even coffee tea. So I was like, I need tea right now, so I'm drinking some hot sugar and water. Did that help? Yes. Going to start plating the food now, get kids dinner because they're going crazy. Dan, you hungry? Oh, I forgot you.
Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light?
Alexandra. Hi. Say hi.
My suit.
It's 19. Hi, baby. Hey. What do you want to watch? Nothing? You can't be on my phone so much, you know. Mwah. So, mwah. See, she like it. Even though you're skinny like mommy. Yeah, so it's actually what, 4 minutes to 9, so it's not that late. Alexandra goes to bed very late. She gets that from me. She actually not go to bed until probably like 11-12 o'clock. Sometimes she's up like 1 o'clock. She goes to bed late. Go to bed late?
I dread those ones.
You dread them? You ready for bed? You ready for bed? I'm going to clean my makeup off. Look at her. You don't want to make an emergency call. Lock it. You ready for bed? I'm going to make her a bottle probably the next 15 minutes. Got lipstick. Probably the next 15 minutes. And then put her to bed. Hopefully she goes to sleep. Are you going to bed? Oh my gosh. You see this? Look on our clothes. I mess it up with makeup. That's why I need to go wash my face. Because now, Alexandra, you have to leave the camera alone. Because there's makeup all over our top, Dan.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
You have to leave it alone. Leave the camera, man. No. No. Mommy? You want the camera? Yeah, she have makeup all over her top. Jesus. Just a little bit sleepy. Going to drink my tea. My teacup says, loving it.